Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps you need to follow to allow calls from everyone on X. If you've been wanting to make sure friends, family, or even new connections can easily reach you through audio and video calls, this is the guide you've been looking for. Let's get started. The first step is to open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the correct account and ready to go. Once you're in, look toward the bottom of the screen where you'll see the familiar icons. Tap on the one that looks like a speech bubble. That's the message icon. From here, you'll notice your conversations, but what we're interested in is the section called Message Requests. Go ahead and tap on Message Requests to access the additional options for your direct messages. Once you're inside, look for the Settings icon, usually located in the top corner. Tap on it to bring up the calling preferences. This is where you'll find the controls that determine who can connect with you through calls on the platform. Next, you'll want to find the option labeled Enable Audio and Video Calling. By default, this is often turned off, which might be why you hadn't received calls from everyone before. Simply toggle this setting on. Turning it on allows your account to accept both voice and video calls. Now for the most important step. You'll see a list of options about who can contact you. To open up your availability to everyone, tap the checkbox next to the word Everyone. Selecting this setting ensures that anybody who wants to reach out by call on X is able to do so, and that's it. You've successfully updated your settings to allow calls from everyone. Whether you're using X to connect casually, collaborate with new people, or just stay in touch, you've now made it easier for anyone to reach you directly. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to apply the steps right away so you don't miss out on important calls. Thanks for watching.